Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Romanticizing UPSC. In today's lecture, lecture number 17, we learnt about certain things. First of all, it was about Indira Sahani case and the Parliament's response to Indira Sahani case. Indira Sahani case led up to the formation of four amendments. 77th Amendment, which gave Article number 16(4)(a), which has the main effect of promotion of quota for SCs and STs and not for OBCs. Then we learnt about 81st Constitutional Amendment Act, which included 16(4)(b), in which we learned that carry forward vacancies are possible, but they are excluded from the 50% cap. That is, separate reservation for the carry forward vacancies is to be done. Then we learned about 82nd CAA, in which 335 provision was laid out, which meant that relaxation in qualifying marks for the promotion of SCs and STs is now possible. Then 85th Constitutional Amendment Act stated that it had 16(4)(a) articles seniority, which means that consequential seniority for SC and ST promotees is possible now. Then judicial review. We saw two major cases, M. Nagaraj versus the Union of India and Jarnail Singh versus the Lakshmi Narayan Gupta. And those two cases were very important because they stated that reservations should be enabling and not a fundamental right, and that state must collect quantifiable data on the basis of backwardness, and that premierial concept should be proposed for SCs and STs as well. Then we saw that the state can impose laws to provide reservations to SCs, STs and OBCs in education institutions as well via the 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 2005. Then we also learnt about the Article 17 of abolition of untouchabilities. Abolition of untouchability can't be done in any form. Then we learnt about Sabrimala case, the very famous case. Bye bye, that's it for today. Happy learning.